is one thing that is common between you and me. That is, we all are afraid of getting injured or getting hurt. Injury may be physical or it may be mental or emotional. Why am I saying this? Because imagine a situation where you are seeing your friend having a cut and there is a bleeding through it. What will be your first emotions? You will definitely be very afraid, and in that fear you will panic and start to search for any help. Now this is the same situation that happens currently when we are telling about menstrual cycle to our young generation. What do we say? We say that anytime when you are in this age, you will have bleeding. Now as soon as the girl hears the word bleeding, she is afraid. I remember my daughter Pooja telling me this when I asked her, what was your experience about this period since I am making these videos? And she said, Mama, though I knew everything, though I had the scientific basis about menstrual cycle, the first day when I had my periods, the first thing was I panicked. And I was very much afraid because she said that she had her Saturday uniform which was white and it was stained with red blood. Naturally, that young girl, 13-14 years of age, will definitely be afraid. That is why I say we have to change the story of menstrual cycle, the story of your periods. Now, how to change it? If I ask you, what do you mean by menstrual cycle? Definitely, each and everyone will say that it is bleeding from the vagina or the 4-5 days when the woman experiences blood. But this is what you have to change. Then what is the meaning of menstrual cycle? According to me, we can change the definition as menstrual cycle is the preparation for a new life. How does it sound? It is the woman getting prepared for the sowing of a seed inside her womb so that she can nurture it to give birth to a beautiful healthy baby. Doesn't it sound convincing? Doesn't it sound acceptable? Now let me give you the example. India is an agricultural land, so we have so many farmers. Can you tell me what does a farmer do before sowing seeds? Yes, he prepares the farm. He plows it. If needed, he will put some fertilizers, manure. He will water the soil and prepare it nicely for sowing the seeds so that the crop will be nice and healthy. Now remember, the woman does this every month. Why I say so? Because every month the lining inside her womb is going to become thickened. It is going to be soft and fluffy. It is going to be enriched with all the nutrients, all the blood that is required for the new life that is going to embed inside that womb. And it is going to be converted into a new life, a new baby, which should be healthy and fine. Now, if we tell this to the girls in this fashion, menstrual cycle is a preparation for a new life. The words change. The fear or the embarrassment that is around the periods will definitely change. The girl or the woman will start thinking that this is something important. This is something that I should be proud of, not ashamed of. This is something that I should talk, and this is the period when I should take utmost care of myself. And when the boys and men understand this aspect, they would value periods. In turn, they would value their relationship. They would value and respect the woman in their life. During every cycle, not necessarily that the new life or a seed is going to be sown. So, what does the womb do? Because temporarily This preparation that has been formed, this fertile soil, is not needed for the time being. It is thrown off in the form of periods or bleeding during periods. Now just imagine if this is what I say is a fertile soil rich with all the nutrients and blood. Is the menstrual bleeding impure or the woman herself impure? I would say rather it is the bleeding is rich and pure, as well as the woman is in that phase where she needs to be more pure, or she should take more care of her health and hygiene. Isn't it right? That is why we say that every cycle, because it is not successful, there is no sowing of the seed or the new life. It is the weeping of the womb. It is the weeping of the womb for an unsuccessful cycle. That is what is menstrual bleeding. See, this is such a beautiful concept which is going to totally change your attitude towards periods. How many times does a farmer prepare his field to sow the seeds? Maybe once or twice in a year. But then he is so much overworked or overwhelmed by it. Oh, I have to prepare this field. It is the sowing season. But the woman is going through these changes through her hormones every month. That is why I say the woman is due, or she is entitled for some pampering. She is entitled to take more care of herself during this time. Why not? So, if you feel that you are a little low, if you feel that there are mood swings, you accept them. You learn to deal with them, because your hormones are going to fluctuate every month. The woman's body and her hormones is the most dynamic condition where it is constantly changing. Here change is constant. That is why you have to accept it and learn to deal with it, adapt to it. But once you change your story of periods, it will make it easy for you to accept periods. So, as I told you, the 4A methods we have seen. To accept periods, we have to change the story of periods. I just want to remind you, whenever you have a girl around you who is going through this adolescent phase and about to have her periods, do tell this story and see her reaction. She will not be afraid of periods. Rather, the adjectives which are attached to periods will change from fear, embarrassment, hate to acceptance, to joy, to the feeling of something unique or something special. So, do change your attitude towards period by changing the story of the periods. Let us meet in the next video with new learnings. Until then, bye-bye.